I like being alone. Not because I don't care, but because peace feels better than forced conversations. I like quiet mornings with no expectations. Long walks where I can hear my own thoughts. Moments that belong only to me. Once I feared silence. Now I crave it. Because when you stop needing others to fill the emptiness, you realize it was never emptiness at all. Just space, waiting to be understood. Solitude isn't loneliness, it's clarity. And in the quiet, I finally met the person I was always searching for.